And now we are live from an undisclosed location, somewhere deep in the heart of American flyover country. And I am Jeffrey Darty, the Christian whistleblower. And we are under the radar, but always over the top and sometimes forgetting to plug in the soundboard, but that's okay. And before all the loony tunes on YouTube get out and start saying, oh, they made a time machine and we're about ready to go to different times and places, I wanted to bring you the reality of quantum time. Scientists have built the world's first time machine in an experiment which defies the law of physics. So, yes, they have sort of built the first time machine that does deny physics, but before the fringe that cares more about clicks than content get a hold of this, I thought that I would give you my 10 cents worth, because mine's worth 5 times what theirs is. Boom. I said it. Okay, so let's take a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. It comes from The Sun, and The Sun says, in a byline by Greg Wilford, quantum time. Whoops. Share. Okay, we're good. Oh my goodness, this is just something else. And now it wants to mess with me. All right. Scientists have built the world's first time machine in an experiment which defies the laws of physics. It's not as exciting as it sounds, ladies and gentlemen, but yet I think they might be preparing us for something, because basically what they did, according to lead researcher Dr. Gordy Lesovic, they put scattered electrons back into their original shape and have effectively thereby created a state which went against the direction of time. And if you saw the pool table reference on the thumbnail for this show, you'll know what we're talking about. And I'm not going to get out of the way. I guess I could show you that right now so we can actually see. No, I actually already deleted it. So we're not going to worry about that. You'll have to, all right. Let me pull it out of the trash and we'll show it, because it is a good little reference. And of course, I can't find it now. I lost it. I tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, sometimes you just wonder. But anyway, what happens, ladies and gentlemen, is they took electrons that were in order. Or I'll show it to you this way. They took electrons that were in an order, ladies and gentlemen. They were, where they wanted them to be. They were doing what they wanted them to do. And then they put those electrons into disorder and were able to bring them back into order again, which, sounds kind of not so great to us. But what that really means is that they did something that was contrary to physics. Now, I'm nobody's physicist. I don't even play one on YouTube. But this is something that is not possible according to the laws of physics. This is something that should not be able to be done. And it goes against, again, quantum physics. They put something in order. They degraded it. It's like you have you've got your pool balls all racked up. You got the cue ball down at one end of the table. That's order. You shoot the cue ball into the racked balls. They go all over the place. That's degradation. And then in time reversal, you take that degradation and put them back into the rack again. The electrons are localized. The electrons become smeared. There's fluctuation in the background, and then the electrons become localized again. So if they ever are able to do time travel, that's the way that it will have to happen. And they've discovered that they can do it. They can do it, ladies and gentlemen. And they can do it through this process which they just created. So is it time travel? Yeah, well, sort of. But they're not going to take anybody, back to 1977 to see Elvis's last concert. That's not going to be happening. But what I'm saying is they have done this thing, which is time travel. It's a time machine, but it's the most rudimentary start of it. But of course, we in the conspiracy realms think that, and with good reason, if they're showing us something that they can do, they're usually way, way, way down the road in their abilities to do much, much more than they've shown us they're able to do. So, just a word to the wise, just a bug in your ear, just something to think about, just something to be aware of. And if you read another YouTube channel today that says, time machine created, well, know exactly what was created, ladies and gentlemen, and understand and be level headed. And remember the three words we always ask: show me proof. I'm Jeffrey Daugherty, the Christian Whistleblower. We're on our way, it looks like, to some sort of time travel. They're trying to set us up and get us ready. So it would behoove us to ask questions and the question answers. And it would certainly behoove us to remember we are the last generation of real humans. When are we going to stand up and unindoctrinate ourselves?